rational numbers, because you know now natural numbers are there because 1 is a part of natural numbers, and one is called the multiplicative identity or identity element for multiplication, and one when multiplied to any other number will give you the same number. Okay, so that is, and again for division there cannot be any identity element, because 5 divided by 1 gives you 5, but 1 divided by 5 gives you 1 upon 5. That is different. Clear? Now inverse. If a plus b is equal to 0, as for addition 0 is the identity element, so if a plus b is equal to 0, when when two numbers are added and the result is 0, then a is the identity, A is the inverse of B, okay. For addition 0 is the identity element, so if two quantities are added and you get the identity element, that is 0, then those two numbers, they are inverse of each other. Similarly, you know, for multiplication 1 is the identity element, so if a into b is equal to 1, okay, if a into b is equal to 1, then a is the inverse or multiplicative inverse, that is called the additive inverse, and this is called the multiplicative inverse. If a into b is equal to 1, then a is the inverse of b and b is the inverse of a. Clear? So this finishes the properties based on properties of rational numbers. So in the next period we will do few examples, few questions on properties of rational numbers.